Hi, we're from Professor Ung's Chemistry 130 class. My name's Laura.
I'm Abby.
I'm Maya.
And we're going to teach you how to do a limiting reagent problem.
Okay, so we have this problem here, this reaction that we want to know what the limiting reagent is. So first we need to balance it. So we see that we have two ALs here. So we'll add a 2 there for this AL on this side. And then we see that we have 2 irons here. And that's why we added a 2 here for this iron. So the problem says that we have 175 grams of molten iron oxide, and then we have 37.5 grams of aluminum, and we want to know how much of iron we have. So what we'll do is we'll do a limiting reagent problem. So we'll start with our given with this side here. 175 grams of Fe2O3 liquid, and then we'll multiply that by the molar mass that we have. So what we did here before is we found the molar mass of Fe2O3, and we found that it is 159.7. So we'll put that down here. And that's going to be over 1 mole of Fe2O3. And then we'll multiply that by the molar ratio. So we see here that there is 1, that's the coefficient there, so 1 mole of Fe2O3. And we want to find iron, so we do 2 there for the coefficient of iron. And then we'll multiply that by the molar mass. So we want to find 1 mole of iron, and then we'll use the molar mass of iron, which is here, so 55.8 grams. And so we'll see that these will cancel out, and it leaves us with grams of iron, and then we'll multiply the top and then divide by the bottom, which gives us of grams of Fe. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing but with aluminum, so we can know how much of Fe is produced with the aluminum. So again, we'll start with our given, 37.5 grams of aluminum, and then we'll multiply that by the moles of aluminum over the mass of aluminum, which over here it says 26.98 grams. And then we'll multiply that by the coefficients again with the Fe, and this time with the aluminum. So we have 2 moles of Fe over 2 moles of aluminum. And then we'll multiply this by the mass of iron over the moles, 1 mole of iron. And so again, these will cancel out, and it will leave us in grams of iron. So we'll multiply the top and then divide by the bottom, which will give us 77.627 grams of Fe. And so we want to look for the smallest number that we have, and we see that 77.627 is smaller than 122.401 grams of Fe. So we know that this is our limiting reagent because this is the least amount of product that was produced.